The first and most important choice a writer makes isn't about words, it's about architecture. A story without structure is just a series of events. A story with a deliberate structure is an experience. Forget the simple plot pyramid you learned as a kid. Sophisticated writers don't just tell a story, they engineer one. They often start by manipulating time. Take the in media res opening, Latin for in the midst of things. Instead of seeing a character wake up and have breakfast before their wedding, you start at the altar as the doors fly open and someone screams, "No!" This creates an information gap, forcing you to ask immediate questions. A nonlinear narrative takes this further, presenting events out of order. It might jump from an elderly man's regret to the specific childhood trauma that caused it. You already know the what, so the story becomes a detective game, forcing you to piece together the how and the why. Other structures build layers of meaning. A frame narrative is a story within a story, like a detective discovering a victim's journal. This outer frame makes us question the inner story's reliability. Is it the whole truth? Then there's the circular narrative, which ends where it began. The protagonist returns to the same place or dilemma. If they've changed, the circle is a journey of growth. If they haven't, it's a trap, a tragic loop. When the final line echoes the first, it creates a profound sense of completeness. So, before writing, choose your blueprint. Will you start at the end? Will you use a frame to create mystery? Your structure is the skeletal system holding your biggest ideas. It's the engine that turns a sequence of events into something that truly resonates.